We all know that trend is our friend, and on Forex trend analysis is very important, because although trend is our friend, but we have to understand what is the beginning point of the trend, what is the ending point of the trend. Because if you don't ride the trend, if you don't ride the market on the right time at the beginning of the trend, then you will lose most of the pips. At the same time, if you hold your trade, if you hold your position after ending the trend, then you will also you will also make losses. So proper analysis of trend and proper understanding of trend, from where to begin, where to last, is very important. This is AUD USD, Australian dollar against US dollar, and I select daily time frame. This is our current market. There is no data, any data more. So this is our current market, and we will analyze our trend in current market. Okay, in the blank eye we can see the trend is down, although I will now analyze whether our trend is down or up. Okay, allow me to find it more and more. Like this is our trend line. This is our trend line. So now we can see in open eyes that although this is the downtrend, but we will now analyze it on drawing our trend line and our swing point. If we can just connect these points, as market is not rocket science, so we need to connect all approximate touching or clear touching or any approximate touching. So you can see how many times market respected our this trend lines, how many times again and again market got respected our this lines. So if we just see any swing point, then we can see from here to here market is making swing points, like market is making lower high, lower low, lower high. Again market is making another lower low and another lower high point. Market is making again lower low, lower high. Market is making lower low, then lower high. Market is making again lower low and then lower high. Again market is making a lower low and then lower high. Market is making again lower low and lower high. Then how many times market is making the swing points? The swing points like low, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So when market will make continuously this lower low and lower high point, then we can assume that market is in downtrend. So in downtrend we only find sell setup. We will not find any buy setup, because only fools find buy setup on a downtrend, because we all know that trend is our friend. So how can we take this information and how can we trade using this information, this lower low, lower high information, the swing point information? We can simply put our sell setup at the touching or approximately touching point of the trend line. Like here it touched our trend line, so, and got rejected, and then created a bearish candle. Allow me to zoom in. So when I'll zoom in, we can see this strong bearish candle. So we can simply put our sell setup here. We can sell. Allow me to change the property at white color. We can sell here and we can make money from here to here, and then again touch market here. Again we can sell our currency here. We can make money from here to here, and then when touch here we can see a strong rejection, so we can again sell from here. If we sold here, we can make money from here to here. So as many as times market will touch our trend line like this way, we can sell our currency. Every time market touch and got rejected from this trend line. But remember, when market will break like this way, when market will break strongly this trend line, we will not find any sell setup. We will not sell here because market already broke our trend line. This is a very important information. When market broke this trend line, our trend line, we will not find any sell setup. So by this way we can analyze our market. Our market is in trend or not, whether market is in downtrend or uptrend, or whether market is in sideways mode. We can just simply using this trend line we can filter our trend.